Richard and Melissa, stage is yours.
Hello, we're from Cambrian House and we're working on a project called Gwabs, and what Gwabs is a casual desktop-to-desktop fighter. It has an instant messaging component, so basically just imagine you're sitting on the other side of the world and an instant messenger pops up and says, hey, do you want to fight? And then it asks you if you want to wager an amount of points, and then my character would jump onto your desktop and my icons would go over to your desktop and then we'd start battling it out. So it's kind of a new, interesting concept for a game, but we're very excited about it, and we've been doing it not only with Cambrian House, but with another company called Hothead Games out of Vancouver. And we also have the Angry Mob, which is our community, and there are currently 22 members from the community contributing to the game. So they're contributing anything from, started off character design, and now we have some people working in our code base. So let's get Richard to maybe give a little demo of the game, but keep in mind that we are just in development, so sometimes things get interesting.
I updated from the source repository at 4:59 before driving up here, and then I discovered that the resolution of this projector is 8:6. So we've never actually run this thing at 8:6. This is an adventure for everyone.
That's testing for later.
So that's the minimum resolution is 10:6. But anyway, so let's give this thing a whirl. We don't have the peer-to-peer stuff. We didn't know what kind of network we were to be having here, so I just left it with a robot which simulates your opponent. So let's see what happens. Crossing fingers. Oh, that part's okay. That part's not so good.
Uh-oh. Could be in some trouble here.
Looking a little ugly here. As you can see, in this area where you're supposed to have character information, it's gone. So
Yeah.
I'm assuming
Yeah,
it's...
Could get messy.
Let's gather around your screen.
At least the buttons work. That's half. You can turn up the volume thing. Sure. Oh, look at that.
Oh, we could get lucky.
Oh, wait. We managed to move the windows. The windows have been removed from the desktop. Oh, and...
So basically, what it is using not only your fighting skills, but icons and taskbar, and then also using windows and a few weapons that we'll have put into the game afterwards to conquer your opponent.
Oh, there's some definite issues with...
Woo!
Yeah. At this resolution, things are disappearing. Yeah.
Richard, do you want me to start setting up the other projector? Does that help?
There's another projector that
The
works
projector
better?
from Cambrian House that does it at your resolution.
It's 800 by 600 resolution, but it might take a higher one in scale out.
Is that the one from CH?
Yeah, it's,
Yeah, it works on that.
Oh, this thing's hung. Oh, it's a demo.
Escape.
It's a transfer of all the desktop information between the two players. And at the top you've got those red bars. Normally they're cool little overlays that look like the stuff in the middle, but there were some problems with the scaling earlier today, and they just took them out because they were beating me up. He's got a taskbar. Yeah, he won. Didn't beat him, but, well, no, he won. Son of a...
You can't even beat your own robot.
It's not as easy as it looks.
Well, the sad part is I'm trying to kick his butt.
Are you the squirrel or the...
I'm the bunny. I'm the bunny. The squirrel in the first round. So I'll break this thing up a bit. Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I summoned a icon. He's summoning an icon. Uh-oh. And...
There we go.
I love
Just pull up that
demos.
screen. It's right back.
strategy.
You got a good picture of that, Gordon? Well, a demo's not a demo unless something really breaks badly.
There you go.
So there we go.
Good work, guys.
Any questions? Any other questions? Technology questions? Anything like that?
Notice that you're using a plain blue background.
Oh, it can be any. Oh, you want
Yeah,
to change
it
it
can
and
be
run it
anything.
again?
Well, I'm just wondering, will it work with like any background?
Oh, yeah.
No matter how cluttered you've got things.
Oh,
yeah.
Here,
Actually, what you're supposed well,
I'll just move some stuff.
it's better to
around,
have
so
more icons on your desktop and more windows, right? Just makes the level a little bit harder.
But because I was running at 8x6, everything got munched into places, so I can move stuff around. I can make my windows all weird and funny looking. So my level builder for this thing is my desktop.
You can take a screenshot of kind of like what your desktop looks like right now.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what your background is
No.
or what your.
Does it have sound?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Sound effect and
I
stuff?
don't think it's they unhooked it.
Well, I'll just crank up the volume on this stupid little tulips. Tulips. Yay.
Oh,
Okay.
That's pretty.
Oof.
That's
It's a good.
Aw.
It's a good place for a battle.
Totally.
So is he gonna throw a flower at somebody?
And no. There was actually talk about actually interacting with the background, but then the math involved and the headache it caused in my brain. It was just like, no, not gonna happen. Oh, what happened there? Interesting. Oh, that was there. Where's the sound?
They disconnected it because they're putting all the
Did
refs
they?
in. Yeah.
Oh, that's right. So those are, yeah, rigid body physics on all the icons and stuff, so that's kind of fun. Oh, yeah, I should show a finishing move. Why not? Because it's cool. Just beat him up quickly. Finish him.
So you guys have 2 minutes left with question time.
Yeah, so,
Just so you know.
Okay.
Could I just point out one thing, and it's really nitpicky, I realize, and
Go for it.
Don't hate me for it, but you have different sorts of weapons, like say they were using the Internet Explorer icon.
Yeah.
It's round, if you're gonna hit somebody with that, it would bludgeon them, versus if you threw a shard at them, it might skewer them.
oh yeah, no,
Like
that's coming.
Yeah.
When we break the taskbar, it's going to be sharpened on the end, so it actually sticks in their head and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
it's just,
Yeah.
all the weapons seem to have the same effect, and so
Yeah,
we might
well,
complain about
it's,
that.
as we said, it's development, right? We
Well,
have
it's
to.
not cheese.
I like that.
Make it better.
Are you thinking of that Flash video that was out a couple years ago, where the desktop icons were fighting against each other?
Yes.
Yeah.
Something to that effect, and I'm
Something
just
to
thinking
that
different weapons, different results, essentially.
Yeah, no, that's on the backlog, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Any other quick questions?
You got 22 people working on it right now?
We have 8 people in-house, and then there's 22 community members. So they contribute anywhere from, you know what I mean, maybe a little tiny bit of text for something on the web or something like that, or fully on character design. So it all depended on.
So the community's starting to really come together for not just ideas, but.
Yeah,
too.
yeah. Well, actually, we have 5 people, I think, working directly in our code base. So it's good stuff.
All right. So you guys are looking for beta testers, did you say?
Yeah.
We're just,
Okay.
yeah, people to just, come be part of the
Comments.
community.
Come be part of the community.
Okay.
Work on the game.
Yeah,
And see you or sign up at the website or?
Either or.
yeah.
Okay. Cool. Well, thank you guys.
Thank
Is
you.
there a link on the website?